What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danique, and you'll definitely want to subscribe because we get lit over here, period. So as you can see, I'm doing another lingerie haul. Everything here is from Torrid. I do wear a 3X. If it's not a 3X, I'll let you guys know, and I'll be telling y'all pricing as I go as well, and everything will be linked down below. So I do these lingerie hauls a lot on my channel. This is a more like expensive one, but I will be doing more affordable ones soon. I think I promised y'all that. So like I'll be doing a Shein haul, like lingerie haul sometime soon. And disclaimer, obviously I can't show a lot on YouTube because it's YouTube. If you want to see these lingerie pieces like uncensored, you know, full, get the full thing, they will be on my OnlyFans. Subscribe to my OnlyFans, and yeah, I think that's it. So we're just gonna hop right into the video and enjoy. Oh, also when I do these videos, I do like a side by side because it's less likely to get demonetized that way for some reason, instead of me like just trying it on and talking to y'all that way. So when I do these lingerie hauls, I just put like a side by side, like a video of me in the lingerie, and then I'll show y'all in this another screen. I like it better that way too, because I'll be able to show y'all like the details of the lingerie. But yeah, let's just get into it. So this first set, well, it's a set, but you have to purchase it separately. I don't know if I left the tags on it. It's a bralette and underwear. The bralette was $40, and then the bottom was $20.50. Again, I know the stuff is expensive. I get the links down below. Anyways, so this is the top, and can we just get into the print? If you look closely, bitch, that's a skull on there. Like, that is so cute. And the bralette is like full coverage, so it covers everything, honey. The back rolls will be covered, and I just love this print. So that's what that looks like. And then we have the bottoms. What are these considered? Like what kind of underwear? I don't know. But anyways, same print. They have that skull. They're very much see-through, and they're very cheeky. Like the buns was hanging out, but I feel like that's so sexy. Like, I love this print. Like, I literally love it. Can we just get into it? Like, it's the skulls for me because I don't know, it's just cute. And I love me some lacy underwear. I feel like together, this, put a robe on, and then just like, ooh, look at this. It's like, because it's not like, it's like just enough. It's not too much. It's like just enough sexy, you know what I mean? Like, just enough sexy. So next I have this robe. It's not really much to show. It's literally just like a long black robe, just something to chill around the house in. A lot of my robes that I have, because I wear robes like all the time, I think y'all seen this one of my last hauls, and I wear it often actually because it's like so fuzzy, and I don't know, I just love it. I love this robe. I wear it a lot. But a lot of my robes are short, so I got this robe because it's longer, and it's, I don't know, it's just longer, it has pockets, and I feel like it's getting spring, so I'm not gonna be needing this furry. I'm gonna be putting the fur up pretty soon, you know. And this is just like really comfy to hang around the house in. This is a 3-4X, by the way. I was told y'all I was gonna tell y'all something wasn't a 3X. This is a 3-4X. But I think I had to do it because it was like the sizes was like you get a 1/2X or a 3/4, so I got a 3/4 basically. I don't know, but it does have pockets. I think it's long sleeves. Y'all seen the try on. But it's just really comfy overall. I really do like this. Like I said, all my robes are pretty short, so this is more conservative and just something like, I see myself like making breakfast in this. I don't know. Okay, so this next piece, actually I thought it looked way cuter online. I don't do a lot of one pieces, just not my thing. I feel like it makes me look like a big ass baby. But for some reason, you'll see a lot of one pieces in this haul. But this is what I got. It's, you know, a bodysuit. pretty much. It does snap. One of the snaps came off. I like the detail on it. So like, this is really cute. I don't know what that's called, like on the sides, but like that's really cute. Then the back has this tie. I don't know how that works, but it has this like the tie in the back. Then the little ruffles on the shoulder as well. Then the little cutout in the back. Like the details of this is really cute, even if it's trimming like around the chest area. And the colors are cute, but it just looks pretty online. I don't like how it looks on me so much. I'm not really a big fan actually. And let me tell you how much this was. So I know this was expensive. Okay, so this wasn't that bad. $75. I thought it was like 100. But yeah, it's kind of reminds me like a bathing suit. I feel like it's a bathing suit. Also, the little cups. You know, your girl got some big old bitties. So there's spillage on the side for me. I don't know, I just don't feel like it's like my sexiest piece of lingerie. But I feel like it could be cute in pictures. So that's what we're gonna hope for, that it looks cute in the picture, because I can't really see myself doing much with this, to be honest with you. But if you like something like this, you know, it's cute, but it's just not my stylist for lingerie. But you know, I was trying to pick up some different pieces, and I do really like the colors, but yeah, not my favorite, to be honest. Next one is a bodysuit as well. This one, let me check the price. This was $75 as well, and it is more floral. I feel like that's all lingerie is like floral, I guess, for the most part. Actually, where this one is like as a bodysuit with some jeans or something, and I feel like that would be like an outfit. It is very like much covered up, and like I said, I don't really wear lingerie like that. Normally mine's just super revealing, but remember, we don't know, grown woman-ish, so yeah. But yeah, it's like, if you want to be like more conservative with your lingerie, I feel like this is really good, because it's super, you're super covered up, but at the same time it has like little hints, like your belly is out a little bit. I'm pretty sure y'all seen the try on, but like the slits, you know, not everything's covered up. It's sexy, like a little sexy. It's giving a little bit sexy. Okay, so the last one was like a thong. This one's like literally your butt's covered up. So like if you're really like, you're just get into lingerie, I feel like this is a good starter piece. Like this is like some starter lingerie, you feel me? But again, floral, I don't know why, I just feel like I do really like this one, but again, these look better online to me. I don't know. But also keep in mind, if y'all follow me on any kind of social media, y'all know most of my lingerie is super revealing. I guess it's just different. Let's just say it's different. I'm not used to being this covered up in lingerie. Next two pieces, they're not necessarily a set, but I purchased them to wear together, if that makes sense, and they kind of go. So let me just show y'all the bralette first. I actually got this bralette in a 4X. I know that because I just know. But text on it, this was $40. I just knew it was gonna fit kind of weird, so I got it in a 4X. I could just tell like by material of things. So yeah, this is a 4X. This is a bralette. One thing I don't like about this is that it has padding in it, and most things like this, like the padding is removable, but for some reason you can't remove the padding, and I don't need the padding. The padding is always like way too small for me, and it ends up looking very weird. But whatever. It is a cute set though, and it didn't look that bad even with the padding, but it's just something I like. Most of the time you can take that stuff out, but for some reason this doesn't look like a lot. There's not an insert to take the padding out, which is kind of annoying. But like I said, you can't really tell, so I don't mind it as much, but whatever. Okay, so for the bottoms, like I said, this is not a matching set, but like it looks cute together. If you've seen on the bottoms, how much? $16.50. Yeah, and these are just, what are they called, like boy shorts, I guess. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna be getting some more of these. I really like the way these fit, super comfy. Like I'm gonna be wearing these around the house all the time. Not much to show, literally just like black boy shorts. I don't know if that's what they're called. I'm gonna put the link, but I'm getting these in like every color they have because they're super comfy and I literally love them. Literally feels like you're wearing like boy boxers or something, and I love the look. But they have a bunch of different bralettes on there that you can like mix and match with that, with those like boy shorts. I just picked that one, I don't know why, but they have a whole bunch of different like black bralettes, and they're not the same material, but I feel like I said, they still look good together. But yeah, that's it for this lingerie haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Well, lingerie slash loungewear haul. Everything will be linked down below. Like I said, I'm a 3X for reference, and I think that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.